Hello, this is the Lockwood 334B45 model of padlock. It's an all-brass hefty padlock designed for use outdoors. It's very weather resistant and strong. This is one I've picked before, and I've added a serrated pin working on the tip of the key to slot 6. To pick it, we'll use this Peterson hook 1 in 25 thousandths and a 1.2mm pry bar. First we have to pick the serrated pin, and we see a false set. Light tension is ideal for this lock, as it's very easy to overset the spools with heavier tension. We're just feeling for counter rotation, and that's unlocked. I've got this lock by first unscrewing a screw down the shackle. And we'll bring over our pinning mat at the same time. The core is held on with 2 more small screws, which we can easily remove. There's no circlip on these, so all we need is the key and a follower. This one should do. We'll turn it 90 degrees and push it out using the follower. No need for a shim with these locks. Take out the key, and we'll dump out the key pins. We have a standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, standard in 5, and the key pin that I put working off the tip of the key in 6. From the core, we have the standard Lockwood spool in 1, an identical one in 2, another one in 3. These spools are very shallow and have very sharp edges, so they overset quite easily and don't give you the deepest of false sets. Another one in 4, and another one in 5. Factory pin, these only come with 5 spools. I've personally added an extra pin in 6, which is a serrated pin. These come with 5 standard springs, identical, and the last one I've added. So, as you can see, these have spools and serrated pins. To reassemble this lock is also pretty simple. We just use the follower to put in these springs and pins again. We'll start with the springs, making sure they go in the same slots they came from. Then the follower goes into the back, and we'll start from pin 6. This goes quite fast once you've had some practice, although I'm not amazing at it just yet. There we go. We return the key pins to the core, just making sure they're going the right way in. And finally, all we have to do is push out the follower using the core, making sure it's the right way again. Relock it, and we can return these screws to the way they were. And return the lock to its original state. You should never close the shackle before testing if the key still works, and it does, so we can close it and test it. And there we go. That is the Lockwood 334B45 picked and gutted.